Hi! I made a story asking you for color combinations that I should try, and one of you actually mentioned copper, orange, and moss green. Yeah, I thought that was really interesting, so I wanted to try it. And this is what I came up with. I tried my best. Like, I googled moss green and Google just managed to confuse me and show me a lot of green shades. Hope this is moss green. And yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna prime my lids with a little bit of concealer. I'm not sure yet what I want to do, but we'll see. I just know that I want to use that color combination, the moss green and copper orange. I tried to Google to get an idea of what moss green actually is. The problem is that Google, it gives me like such a variety of colors. It gives me lots of olive greens. It also gives me kind of a dark forest green, and I'm not sure which one of these is actually moss green. So I'm going to start with the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place. This is amazing for green shades. Looks something like this, and you know what? No, I'm actually going to use the Nomad. This is really a challenge, but I'm going to take this darker green here and mix it with a little bit of this yellowy color. And I'm going to start from my outer corner and just stamp that. I'm not sure that this is it. It actually resembles the first Google result. Then when I have basically no product on my brush, I'm trying to fade it by applying less pressure on the brush and just going up to my crease. Okay, like I have a ton of swatches on my hand. Trying to create that lighter kind of a moss green, something like that. Okay, so I need to mix this with this to tone it down, and then this to lighten it up. It's a journey. Oh, I messed up. So this with this, and then this. And let's see if I got the shade right. Nope, it's too green. So less of this, more of this, and then the light color. But still I feel like it's a little bit too green, so I'm going to top it with just this with this. Try to tone it down a little. And I will take my previous brush and go over my crease area with no additional product on the brush. Then I think I'm going to take the same mixture, maybe just this with this lighter one, because I want something in my higher up in my crease, so the blend will look a little bit more blended, more faded. Oh, this is the Tribe, by the way, because before I was using the Nomad. I do want to darken up my outer corner just a tiny bit, so I'm going to pick this first shade and mix it with this darker brownish color from the Nomad palette, and I'm going to stamp that right here in my outer corner. I'm keeping it pretty close to my lash line. These two palettes really inspire me so much. I always use them together. If I'm trying to create a green look, I feel like you can go between them and create a very nice look. This one, the Tribe, is enough if you want just like a green smoky eye, but this is perfect if you want to combine and get that olive army type of a green, because they are more toned down than this. They have such beautiful shades though. I kind of want to do like everyday looks with colors like this. Yeah, like just one shade on the lid and just something more simple. You might ask yourself, where's the copper orange? or actually not, because you've seen the look in the beginning. I plan on adding that on my lower lash line. But first I want to do my face. I feel like my face makeup is getting repetitive, so I'll just breeze through it. Beauty blender primer, just in the pores area. This is hard to squeeze. I think that's enough. The Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I feel like I need to mention in every video I'm using this. I don't like it. So you guys won't think that I actually recommend it. I don't like it. But since I'm staying inside, I can use it. I feel bad to waste makeup. So sometimes I use the products that I don't like. Especially if I'm doing just looks to post on the internet and not actually going anywhere. I'm gonna blend it in with my sponge. This is the Real Techniques sponge. I meant to apply color corrector. I don't know if it's too late since I already applied the foundation, but I'm just going to squeeze some in there and blend it with my finger. And then I'm going to mix my Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer with my Fenty Beauty Concealer. Again, I hate this one, but when it's mixed with something else, it's not that bad. I do need to mix this one because the shade is just a tiny bit dark. Then I'm using the same Real Techniques sponge to blend it in. Let's do some cream contour with the Pitch Perfect foundation from Too Faced in the shade Honey. I need to wipe this green off my hand. Based on what I'm talking about in this video, you might think that I hate Fenty Beauty. That's not true. I actually love a lot of products from them. I love the Pro Filter foundation, the matte one. I love the Eavesdrop. Oh, that's just magical. The newer concealer is pretty nice, but it's pretty light in coverage. So kind of made to be paired with the Eavesdrop, the Diamond Bomb highlighter. It's a very nice brand. These are, from what I've tried, these are the only products that I don't like from Fenty. Doing a little bit of contouring underneath my nose. Then I'll use my sponge to blend the edges of the contour. Okay, now I need to set. I will take some translucent powder and pick it up on my setter brush from Real Techniques. And first I need to blend those creases up. And then stamp the powder on my under eye area. On the rest of my face, I'm going to apply some of this Sephora Collection compact powder. And I'm avoiding my eye area because I already powdered that area. And yeah, I don't want to load it with a lot of product. For blush, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever, this peachy color, and I'm going to apply it with the Sigma F10 brush. Just stamp it above the contour. I'm going to use my powder brush to take away some of this excess. Okay, highlighter. I'm gonna use my Becca cpop. I have this mini version here. Just going to apply it on my cheekbone. This is very pretty. Spraying a bit of my all-nighter. And I want to do that powder thing, taking my loose powder with a powder sponge like this. This is just the one that came with the Sephora Collection powder. And stamping here in my pores area to smooth them out. Back to the eyes, I will take a small detail brush and pick up this shade from the Tribe palette to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. It has green reflexes, really love that. For the lower lash, I am going to start by lining my waterline with this brown pencil from Sephora Collection. I need a flat eyeshadow brush. Found it right here. And I'm going to pick up this copper orange here. Oh, I actually kind of like that. That looks very interesting, I must say. I'm gonna try to make my lashes look nice with just mascara because I don't have any liner, and if I try to put on lashes with my black lash glue, I might lose it. So curling my lashes first. I will be applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash mascara. And I'm applying the same mascara on my lower lashes as well. Let's see about the lips I want. I have a weird combo that I want to use. The Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 708. This is a brownish, reddish pencil with this Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the shade Gingerbread Matte. This is from last Christmas actually. I think I will lighten that combo up with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Driver. Let's see how that goes. The pencil is not really suitable. I would need something that's more brown and not as red, but I don't have something like that, so let's see this lipstick because I actually never used it. Ah, so cute. I need to cover a little bit of this lip pencil though. That is actually such an interesting color, but in my opinion this is more suitable for fall than Christmas. I'm going to pick some of this Maybelline and just apply a tiny bit of that in the center of my lips to brighten up the color a little bit. I did not expect to, but I actually love this lip color so much. I feel like it suits me so well. I don't know what's happening. Do I love something else beside nudes? This is the look. Really hope you like it. If you have any other color combinations that you want me to try, make sure to let me know in the comments below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I'll see you next time. Bye.